The danger is releasing the asbestos fibers into the air.
One of Cleveland's most dangerous sites, the ACME National Building on Cleveland's east side. Christopher Gattarello is now in federal prison, convicted of dumping tons of waste here, including asbestos.
If the guy removed asbestos from this building and then just illegally disposed of it, probably in here.
And currently right now there's still 75 to 80,000 tons still inside.
I'm literally standing on like 4 or 5 feet of trash.
Still inside.
Still inside the property.
And that's toxic.
Yes, definitely.
It will cost taxpayers at least $5 million to clean up.
This is a disaster, and it's got to get rectified.
An angry Councilman Mike Polensek, then and now, demanding a crackdown on rubbish haulers who trash our city.
Raw garbage. Raw garbage. That's what it was. We're not talking about recyclables. We're talking raw garbage.
When are you going to clean up that mess?
He's in prison. So how's he going to clean it up? You know, he's in prison. You're talking millions of dollars. Somebody has to pay to clean it up. And it's going to be the taxpayers.
But wait, there's more!
He was awaiting sentencing on that federal conviction for a fraud charge. And while he's waiting that fraud conviction, he's creating a fraud against the state in clear public view.
He was sent to prison. Convicted trash hauler is found guilty of defrauding workers' comp.
Even as he was convicted of a federal crime, Gattarello was still up to no good.
This guy was on everybody's radar. This guy was pretty blatant, right?
Pretty blatant.
Get a load of this undercover video taken by investigators for the Ohio Bureau of Workers' Compensation. That's Gattarello, working as a driver and heavy equipment operator for a demolition company, all the while collecting disability payments from the state.
I'm actually working on City of Cleveland contracts.
Gattarello was found guilty of workers' comp fraud and sentenced to 186 days in jail by a Franklin County judge. Another legal mess for a man who created a big mess in the city's neighborhoods.
Rubbish.